Welcome to our channel. Unique accommodations can transform your trip into an unforgettable adventure. Step 1. Explore specialized booking platforms that feature unusual properties like tree houses, castles, and houseboats. Step 2. Consider home exchanges where you swap residences with travelers in your desired destination. Step 3. Research glamping sites that combine outdoor experiences with comfortable amenities. Step 4. Look into farm stays and rural guest houses for immersive countryside experiences. Step 5. Investigate converted historical buildings like monasteries, lighthouses, or train cars. Step 6. Search for eco-lodges and sustainable accommodations in natural settings. Step 7. Read detailed descriptions and reviews to understand what makes each property special. Step 8. Verify locations carefully as unique properties may be remote. Step 9. Check cancellation policies as unusual accommodations may have stricter terms. Step 10. Book well in advance as unique properties often have limited availability. Step 11. Communicate directly with hosts to ask questions and set expectations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.